Hi, it's Tamara here again, and I am on step 2 of trying to understand my Positive Grid Spark Mini, which is here. Now we've got the app open, and we're just running through. I'm a bass guitarist, so immediately the presets that the thing comes with don't really work that well for me. So I got into the bass one, and just want for people who've never used digital simulation before like this. These are knobs, and you might think you have to go round them because when you press on them, you see a ring, right? And you think, oh, yeah, I have to go around it. No, just pretend it's like a vertical slider. That's the only way. That took me a while, so I'm hoping I can save some other people some pointless endeavors. And that the way to save this, if you do like it, is to use the 3 dots up the top here, quite tiny, really, and go ahead and save it as a preset. The other thing to remember is that you can try out any of these whilst you've got the amp connected, but if you want them on the go, so to speak, no pun intended, because it is a mini, not a go, you'll have to set them to these presets here. So basically you have to decide, I don't like these current ones and I'm going to take them over and call and set them up the way I want them. So it's you're best off keeping the names. You get a choice to rename them, but if you name them something obscure, you're not going to remember that the words here are rhythm, lead, solo, and custom. So you're best off maybe naming them after yourself. In my case, Tam's rhythm, Tam's solo, Tam's custom, whatever. But just, yeah, a thing there about getting your naming protocol right from the start. Or maybe you could name them like rhythm 1, rhythm 2, rhythm 3, and you change them as the months go by. I think if you're a complete geek, that's probably what we'll do. Or you might just go with what's in the box, but as a bass player, it's not going to work. All right. I hope that helps. Save somebody some time.